Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, cutting edge Uttam AESA radar for Tejas Mk1A. India's Tejas Mk1A, equipped with the highly anticipated Uttam AESA radar, is set to redefine the nation's aerospace capabilities. While the developmental and testing work on the radar has already been completed on 2 limited series production Tejas flying test beds, the final rollout of the Tejas Mk1A is scheduled by the end of 2026. However, the production technology for the radar has already been transferred to a private sector company, making a significant step towards indigenous technology development. Next, IAF Explores MMTTC, that is multi-mission tanker transport capability. In a move to bolster its aerial capabilities, the IAF is actively engaged in discussions with HAL, the renowned state-owned aerospace and defense company in India. HAL, in collaboration with Israel Aerospace Industries, that is IAI, has presented a compelling proposal to convert civilian airliners into multi-mission tanker transport aircraft within the country. Next, India's weaponized short-range unmanned aerial vehicle Archer ready for trials. In a significant development in India's defense capabilities, the ADE, a laboratory of the Defense Research Development Organization, is gearing up to conduct weapons trials for the short-range unmanned aerial vehicles known as Archer. This cutting-edge UAV has already completed all ground trials. Next, DJI refutes online post suggesting the Chinese company refused Indian military orders due to high market risk. Recently, some online posts about a business dispute between Chinese drone maker DJI and the Indian government have sparked discussions in the industry. The speculation claims that the Indian military placed a huge order with DJI, but DJI refused due to high risk in the Indian market, which has attracted attention. Next, India-UK hold first defense and military tech cooperation workshop in London. Senior government officials, sectoral experts and industry representatives came together in London for a first-of-its-kind discussion to explore synergies between India and the UK in the defense and military technology sector and work as a catalyst to enhance bilateral cooperation in the sphere. Next, India-Australia defense policy talks held in Canberra. The 8th India-Australia Defence Policy Talks (DPT) was held in Canberra on July 24-25, where the two sides discussed strengthening the partnership in co-development and co-production of defence equipments and fully implementing the comprehensive strategic partnership. The defence policy talks were co-chaired by the Special Secretary in the Ministry of Defence Nivedita Shukla Verma and the Acting Deputy Secretary in Australian Defence Ministry Stephen Moore. Thank you. 30,000 vacancies filled in Jammu Kashmir after Article 370 revoked in centre. Nearly 30,000 vacancies were filled in J&K after the abrogation of Article 370 in 2019. Union Minister of State for Home Nityanand Rai said in Rajya Sabha. He said the government of Jammu and Kashmir has carried out several government reforms, including in the area of recruitment also. Next, US Envoy visits Parliament, meet Finance Minister. US Special Presidential Envoy for Climate John Kerry, who is on 5-day India tour, visited Parliament on Wednesday. Kerry, who is leading a US delegation during his visit, today met Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman at her office inside the Parliament building. Thank you.